Hello, hello, hello. Hey guys, you may not know me or not knowing Paul. My name is LCN. I'm a kind of, the guy just take all the shit,
You're the guy that does everything.
Right. Okay. So in other words, good, bad, ugly. So my
All of it
fault.
comes to
So
you.
I started this company, as most people know, in 1993. Okay. We used to be very well known with the compact fluorescent, and today we are super heavy into the LED. Okay.
Yes, we are.
So that's me. Look at my T-shirt. I'm the craziest guy
And lighting.
in lighting.
Definitely.
Okay. So since I'm that crazy, Paul
Gotta be crazy too.
got to be crazy too.
That's
Okay,
how it works.
right? Okay. Paul knows everything. Okay. Okay. I'm the one just keep talking some crazy ideas. Then Paul has to help me to put all the crazy ideas together into the reality, right?
Yeah,
That's
got
Paul
some
does.
good stuff there.
So Paul knows everything in terms of such a detail in the products.
Yes.
Now, today we are so heavily engaged with the commercial
We're very well into the commercial sector. Yes.
commercial sector. But you know what, Paul? Commercial sector is very, very stubborn. So in other words, okay, if you look at a transfer,
Yep.
last 50, 60 years,
Yeah, forever.
the 2x4 in the city never changed.
No.
Right?
Same stuff.
Same stuff.
Fluorescent tubes.
1x4, 2x2, 2x4 never changed.
Yeah.
Today, we still believe that the transfer in the ceiling constitute between 50 to 60% of the commercial office buildings and this and that.
Absolutely. There's
okay? So that never changed.
Mm-hmm.
So we changed from fluorescent to LED, LED generation 1, LED generation 2. Remember, the first panels come out about 10 years ago.
Yeah, it's been a little while.
Right?
You talk about LED panels.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so today, our crazy idea is we're using an existing product. How can we innovate that existing product into the next level?
Right.
Next level.
How do you make it better?
Right. So how do we define that? We actually did a complete study from beginning to the end. Mm-hmm. First of all, the product has to be unique.
Yes.
Okay. We're going to show you the uniqueness. Mm-hmm. Okay. The product has to be benefiting all the way to the end of the end users.
Right.
Right.
Have a benefit to it.
Which is additional savings.
Right.
Along the way, the product has to be so loved by the contractors.
Gotta be easy for them.
So what do you mean be loved by the contractors?
Contractors gotta really like that panel. Otherwise, they're not gonna buy it. They look for like ease of use, installation. They want to be fast. Get it in, get it out.
Right.
You know?
Okay. They don't want hassles.
No.
No hassles at all. Because let's face it, the end of the day, we kind of have to kiss the contractor's butt, right? Because they are doing install.
Yeah.
Okay. If we all together make them happy, then we are happy here. Paul, myself, and you.
Right. We're all happy.
So that's the beginning of what we try to do here. Mm-hmm. Okay. We really thinking about how do we create a system now.
Yes.
Not like a cheap stuff.
Right.
Anybody can make it as cheap as they can. But how do you create a system? How the system able to benefit from you all the way to the end users? So let's put a name together.
All right.
I have a G here. Generation.
Generation.
We start with the Generation X.
Start with Generation X paint.
The reason we want to have some rules between X and all the way to Z.
Right.
Okay? That's Generation X we're talking about.
Yes.
Second, we're talking about T and S. T stands transfer. Now we're talking about system we're talking about. So we're talking about GXTS. We talk about Generation X transfer system. System. Okay? So that being said, Paul, let's start some details.
All right.
For everybody. Now, along the way, if you guys have any ideas, just type in the questions and we will answer for you right away.
Absolutely.
First of all, Paul, our first consideration when we start doing this is the contractors.
Right. We got to think about the guy that's the end user there that's putting it in.
Okay. For contractors, there are two things. Easy to put in. Also, do you realize it? Way back 50, 60 years ago, or 20, 30 years ago, when still lots of fluorescent transfers out there, everybody carried this electronic balance.
Yeah, every one of them had.
Have you noticed that people still come to you and say, "Oh, do you have a driver? Do you have a ballast?" But today, all the products today is so-called integrated.
Right.
Integrated. That means you cannot get anywhere if just in case one piece burn out. the contractors come to your shop, say, do you have a driver? No, you don't.
Right.
So today, let's start with that angle first, right?
Yes.
So Paul, show them
So
what you got here.
this is our product. Whoops. This is our product.
So
right
what's the
here.
difference, Paul? It's just like everybody else,
Looks like everybody else's, right?
right?
It is a little bit different. So let's open it up here. I already
Okay.
opened
Oh,
this.
before you open up,
Yeah.
I think we so well.
Oh, yes,
Right
look at
now,
the packaging on this.
That's
Very
right.
strong, robust
One
packaging.
issue for today is damage
Right.
by shipping.
We realized that we had some damage in our previous
Right.
stuff.
So
we beefed up our
so first
packaging.
thing is we really beefed up packaging. So
Quite a
today
bit.
we consider our packaging today. I would say the number one because so compact, so tight.
Very much.
Okay.
Yes.
So that being said, Paul, let's open up.
All right, so first I'm looking at these arrows here on the packaging. It's noting where to open it up at.
So in other words, don't open up the other
Don't
side.
open the other side. You want to open it where the arrows are.
We'll tell you why, because there's a magic inside.
Yes, so I already sliced this open just for ease of use there. So as I open it up, what's
Okay, let's
inside?
hold on a second. Let's show people what's inside.
What's inside?
What you see is the two drivers. You say, what the
Yeah.
heck is this? How come two drivers on the top?
Nicely packed in
Right?
there.
So
Nicely packed.
take the two drivers out.
There's
One.
one. There's two.
You say, holy moly. The driver's not attached to it.
And we have some packaging material.
That's the beauty. Right, Paul?
Right.
So we'll tell you why the driver is not attached.
The driver
Okay.
is not attached.
However, Paul, you have, let's say, pull it. Oh, no, hold on, Paul. Sit that way, then we don't have to pull up. You see here? Now you have to pull them up.
There you
Okay.
So here's our two panels.
Okay, two panels.
We're just gonna leave them in the box.
Okay, face to face, because Paul has another piece right here. Okay? So Paul, tell me, you have two ways to handle this, right?
Yes.
Number one is just like everybody else.
Number
You
one.
can put this driver right on the panel, less than 1 minute.
Yes. So this driver, it came separate. It's very easy to install. I'm gonna bring this up there so they can see it
Yeah.
real quick. So right here, we have two tabs, okay? So I'll show you how easy it is to install.
Let me hold it that way, Paul.
All right, perfect, Ellis, thank you. So I'm gonna take this wire here, I'm gonna put it through the bottom of the driver, slide the two tabs in, and then I just push the little
The
button.
other side is a nylon.
Got a little nylon pin, you just push it in.
That's it, done.
Done. Very
Okay.
fast, very
Okay?
efficient.
And obviously you have to do one connection, so pop the
Right.
cover here.
So then I gotta take
Oh,
my.
there's a screw on it. Oh, sorry, Paul.
I popped that,
Okay, that's
Pop
screw
that
on
in.
it. Do you have a screwdriver somewhere? Paul screwed up, okay?
I screwed
Paul
up.
doesn't have it. So, okay, yeah, here we go.
here, so what we're gonna connect on the inside then is this, here's our connector, and then we just make that connection and we're done. So I messed up there, I didn't have the screwdriver with me.
Okay,
That's
now,
2 seconds there.
So for that being said, Paul, that being said, right? Everything what you just did, okay? There's uniqueness about this whole thing. That's why we call it replaceable. This is the only replaceable driver in the market today. So in other words, down the road, for whatever reason, if so-called the fixture burnout, most likely 99.9% of time, not by the LED panels, it's by the driver. When that happens, all Paul has to do is put a screwdriver on the one side, just pop it,
Pop it out, and what we're popping out is just this little nylon pin here,
right?
see that there?
Pop it out,
Right in and out,
okay? And you slide out. And you put another one
then I can
Like
pop that
that?
one right in,
and a slide back in.
very quick to change.
Done. It's almost that simple. That's
Very
why this is the only replaceable drivers in the market today. Now, this is one way to do it, right?
That's one way to do it.
What the contractor really enjoy not this.
Mhm.
Now, Paul has a 5 minutes video. We want you guys to enjoy it. Sharon, you can forward that to everybody who joined us today. We're not going to play this 5 minutes here with you guys, but you need to watch it. So tell us a little bit what you did in that 5 minutes.
So in the 5-minute video, I decided, I was on the ladder, I was going up in the ceiling, I'm like, man, it's a lot to carry with me. I'm gonna carry this panel, I gotta do a bunch of stuff. So I just took the driver with me. Take the driver up there, I wired in the driver in the ceiling. Okay, done.
Done. Easy.
Because I can do that. Then I had Ellis hand me the panel, and then a snap, boom, done. I think the whole install was 3 minutes,
It's about
5 minutes. Took me 5 minutes to install. I don't know.
Actually,
Maybe
the
the
3
video was
minutes.
5
No,
minutes.
no, shut
I
up.
think my
The
install was
other
quick.
2 minutes we chit chat, okay?
Yeah.
It was a 5, okay?
All right.
But if we keep our mouth shut, okay, it only takes 3 minutes, okay? Right. But the beauty is this. Remember, Paul said, all you have to do is take this one with you.
Very fast.
Take
I mean,
this
it
one
was
with you.
super
You'll
fast.
go over there to do all the wiring, knock out the things, connect this and that. Then, funny thing is, now this driver is hanging over there by itself.
Yeah.
Then, Paul put a panel up, slide in, click,
Done.
turn it up, done.
Mhm.
Oh God, I tell you, there's a people in Michigan, they call 3-man's job.
Yeah.
This is really cool. So-called 3-man's job. First man, just take the order fix job.
Yep.
Second man, connect the drivers to
Puts the
the
driver in.
power.
Put power.
The third man put the panels up and slide in. It's so cool. Do you guys realize if you have the driver attached to the panel, you have to put the entire panel up. Then you have to do the wiring on the next opening, try to reach out to do that. It's very, very uncomfortable and very time consuming.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know what I found out in that video? Alex?
Yeah.
The great thing about these panels is they're very light too. They're
Yeah.
easy to get up.
Very easy.
Those
Very
fluorescent
right.
ones are
Okay.
heavy.
People just love this concept,
They're
guys. They just simply love this concept, guys. Okay?
Replaceable drivers.
Replaceable driver. So now the phone started.
Yeah.
Okay. It's called peace of mind.
Mhm.
Okay, because contracts everybody worry about. What if? Okay. So we really tell people, say, guess what? Okay, all you have to carry 2 or 4 or 1 little case of the 6 of drivers on your shelf. Okay, 2 things are going to happen. Okay, number 1, 3 years from now, kind of long. Okay, just in case it burn out, people come back. Oh, don't worry about it. Here's the driver. Go.
Yep.
Number 1. Number 2. Hey, we're not perfect. Okay, we're not perfect. Okay, maybe 1 out of 200. Hey, maybe a burnout. Okay.
Could happen.
If you carry a couple drivers on your shelf, all you have to do is give the contractor a unit. Then I will give you credit for that. So you don't have to wait.
Nope.
Right.
Not at all.
You don't have to wait for us to send you this. People, our competitors, they have to send you the entire panel.
Yeah.
No, we don't have to do that. We just
No.
send you one, but that one you already have on your shelf.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
We just give you credit. Done.
Absolutely.
You see how easy it is? Do you know the entire concept just make everybody so happy? The contract is so happy. Okay, let me repeat again. This is the only replaceable driver in the market today. Now, let me tell you something very unique.
Mhm.
Our replaceable driver,
Yeah.
okay?
Yep.
Right? Replaceable driver, I put R,
Yep.
okay?
Replaceable driver.
Then I put on U on it.
Yep.
Okay.
Mhm.
I'm going to quiz him a little bit. because
All right. Oh, he puts me on the spot.
I just making things up, okay? All right. We all know replaceable. What is it? You.
Universal.
Jesus,
Universal.
he's good. Oh God, he's good. Now, this is how cool it is. Which means we only have 1 driver. Okay? That driver, if put on the 2x4, light up 36, 26, 22.
Mhm.
Exactly the same driver.
Right.
If you exactly the same driver put on 2x2, end up with 32, 22, 18. And you said, what the heck? How do you guys do it? Exactly the same driver. So our replaceable driver goes like
Yep.
this, okay?
Yep.
Okay, one side is 2 drivers item number.
Right.
The other side listed all the finished products for you. Okay?
Mhm.
1 driver. That's it. All you have to carry, 1 driver.
One
For
driver.
1x4, 2x2, 2x4. Okay? Let me tell you a little bit secret how we did it. As you guys know, the wattage is can be done by 2 things. Number 1 is output.
Yep.
So right now, since we use the universal driver, the output for the driver is exactly the same.
Right.
Now, the drivers are mingled with the LED.
Right.
When we put 120, 150 LEDs in it, we put them in serial and in parallel.
Hmm.
Okay? Which is the serial parallel combination. Also being coordinated into the total unit power.
Right.
So you can have the same output from driver because the different layout in the serial and in parallel come out different wattage. So this driver on highest wattage right now, you're talking about 2x4 and a 36. If you put this driver on the 2x2, you measure it's a 32.
Mhm.
Isn't that cool, guys? One. All you have to carry one. Man, you will make it. Everybody super happy. Nobody has it. We have it. Okay? Couple more things we want to point out, Paul. Okay? Number one, Paul,
Yep.
all the new ones coming as right now. We have all the connectors in there. Would you talk about that,
Let
Paul?
me take that up there.
Yeah.
Let
Would
me
you
show
talk about that, Paul?
So these are pretty cool. So this makes it, again, thinking about the electrician, right? So here we go. These are quick connects. So you can easily plug in to what you need there. We had it on the black and the white as well.
Yeah.
You can just plug in your,
Oh yeah, in other words, no wire nuts.
no wire nuts.
Okay, all they have to do is your cable coming.
Right.
You get a three
Plug it in.
black, white, and green.
Yep.
Click, done.
Yeah. Because we don't want the electrician having to fumble for
Right,
wire nuts.
done. So yeah, in other
Plug
words,
it in.
the entire operations is what we call toolless. They don't need the tools,
Right.
right? Slide in, click, connect. Step
Yep.
number one.
Yep.
Step number two. The power coming. Three black and white and green. Click.
And you'll see that in the video.
Let me see how many click. Slide is one.
Uh-huh.
Push is two.
Two.
Right? Then you do 4 click.
Yeah.
One click is connected from the driver to the panel.
Yep, the
The
connector.
other clicks is come from the power. Click. Also, all our connectors have the 3 holes in it.
Yeah. So you can daisy chain that out.
Daisy
So-
chain. You have one come in, one go out.
Yeah.
Isn't
Thinking
that
about that.
cool, guys?
Mhm.
It's called click. With a slide, push, click. That's it. That's only takes, that's it, 10 seconds.
It's very fast. You'll see it in the video. We do the same.
So all the contractors can use the time, have a cup of coffee.
Yeah.
Right? Hey, life is good.
Relax, you know?
Okay, so that's that. Okay, so let's slow down here. Okay?
Yeah.
Now we talk about installation.
Yes.
Done, right? If you guys have any questions, please let us know. If you have any opportunities, we're more than happy. Yes,
We do have some questions.
Sure.
Is the LED driver UL listed?
Yes.
yes. Individually.
Yeah.
Are your quick connect suitable for solid and stranded wire?
We rather go with a solid.
Solid wire.
Yeah, but otherwise, most power for the other side is solid.
So that one's a little tricky. The wires coming out of the LED driver are stranded, but they're tinned. So it's suitable for tinned stranded wire.
Right, 10 is okay.
But we prefer to just tell everybody it's solid. only.
Right, but 10 is okay.
Yeah, tinned is okay.
Okay?
Is that it?
Okay, now let's move on. Now the fun started. Okay? As we moving forward, actually the end of this month and start from next month, okay? All our drivers 100% come in with the 12 volts output.
Ah, the 12-volt output.
Would you talk about that, Paul?
Well, the 12-volt output is a great thing to add into the driver.
Yeah,
The reason being is there's a lot of sensors and modules out there that have 12-volt power supplies required.
right,
So now it's going to be built into the driver. So we'll be able to add 12-volt accessories.
right. So here's what we do. 2 things, Paul. Number 1, TCP today have our own control system.
That's correct.
So let's talk about something
Yeah, it's pretty
simple. Okay, something simple.
Mhm.
On the control system, we have 2 types. One is simple sensors,
Simple.
microwave,
So like on and off, right?
on off.
Okay.
However, the on off, all our sensors is dual sensors.
Dual sensors.
So what does that mean, dual
So you're
sensors?
talking about the sensor that I
Right.
put in, it does on and off, but
Right.
then it also does daylight harvest or,
Have the dual sensors. If you look at a utility program, okay, don't look at sensor column. Usually they have 3 columns.
Right.
Number 1 is a sensor, which is single. Number 2 is the dual sensors, which they give you more money on it.
Right.
And number 3 is a smart lighting. Now,
Right.
all our sensors today is a dual sensors.
Yes, all of our sensors have
Make you
the
more money.
photo control option.
Okay. The third option, which is firmware, right?
Mhm, yes.
Normally people using NLC. What NLC means?
NLC is the network lighting control that is a DLC listed item.
Right. Okay. That's what DLC they call
Yes.
NLC.
Correct.
And we don't kind of not to copy that, so we
Right.
change the last word. We become NLS,
Right.
which means network lighting system.
Right.
Okay, we have all of those ready for us, guys. Paul, would you show people which driver here has that feature? One of them.
One of them. Ah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with this one.
Okay, will
This
you
one
show
here.
people what's at the back?
Yep, let me show you guys what's at the back. So it's not wired up, but there are 12-volt wires right here. And it wires into this guy right here. So this is the sensor right here. There's the photo control, and then it does on off via microwave.
So now it's so cool. So when order come in, when either NLS or dual sensors,
Yep,
what Paul's going to do is they before they put the drivers into the box,
Yep.
they install this one first,
yes,
right, Paul?
absolutely.
Okay, they literally install that one first. After install that one, okay, all the installation just like everything else, right? There's no difference between regular drivers or the drivers with the dual sensors and a smart light. You just do the same thing, okay? Slide, push, click, 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 that. With or without sensors or the smart lighting.
But
What?
Alice, where's that sensor go?
Oh, now you have to tell people, okay?
I mean, I see the driver and it was flat
Okay,
there.
let's have some. First of all, we need to take this driver out, right?
Let me take
so
it
will
out.
you just pop a little bit?
Yep.
Whoa, yeah, okay. So that was out,
You got
right?
it? There it is.
That's it, it's out.
So very easy to take it off.
So now it's a puzzle. So now I need to have this a smart lighting on, okay?
Where are we gonna put it?
Where did you put it?
I don't see any spot for it.
Show people.
All right, let me take a look. All right, here we go. So, see if I can hold the panel. You guys see that sticker right there? So place driver here, right? But what happens is we're gonna peel this off. Can't do it right now. I'll do it on the table.
Okay, I hold it, Bob.
I'm actually gonna cut it because it's gonna be faster.
There's a hole inside. Paul, there's a hole inside. Holy moly.
All
See
right.
here?
I had a little thing that said cut here, so I cut here. There we go. Now
Okay,
we got.
now, would you put the other one back in? Right.
So now it's the same process again. Okay.
Okay.
I slide it
Slide
in.
in.
I put my wire back up through here again.
The thing
Look, yeah.
magically
Magically, it goes down in there.
goes down.
And then I push the button.
That's
and it's
it.
mounted again.
Done.
Again. Same installation time.
Isn't that cool, guys? Yes.
There is a question, so that sensor will function with other sharpboard sensors?
Shockwave. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Exactly. Yeah, this is a shockwave sensor.
Yeah.
It's what we call shock sensors.
Mhm.
Okay. They actually doing very, very well. Their apps so far doing very well.
Yep.
We haven't had any hiccups. Okay. So that's very well.
Yeah, we partnered.
Again, guys, dual sensors or smart lightings. Okay, let's quickly talk about smart lighting. Okay,
Sure.
smart lighting actually has 3 different ways. Okay, we have basic smart lighting, which has a microwave sensors as with a dual lights and this and that. Okay, with that we able to control so-called we able to control including the dimming and this and that. Okay, that's very inexpensive, very economical way to do it.
Right.
The second level is beyond that, we adding to change the colors.
Right.
Okay, because when you change the colors, we have to add another piece to it in order to change the colors. Also, we have wall switch. When you talk about other things, I went to my office, I'm going to show people the wall switch.
Okay.
That's number 2. Okay. Number 3, we have a gateway. Okay, the gateway basically is plugged on the wall. The gateway has 2 communication channels inside. One is a microwave, not microwave. It's a Bluetooth talk to you on the panels. The other one has Wi-Fi in it.
Mhm.
It's simple as that. So you're able to process that through your computer to do the energy saving level. So there are 2 ways you can handle that. Okay, would you just talk a little bit more? I'll be back in a second.
Absolutely. So in reference to that gateway that Ellis was talking about, I just want to let everyone know that it's not a requirement to have that gateway. The app and everything that to control everything on the smart lighting stuff is run through Bluetooth. So you can easily control, set scenes, and figure out the energy that the unit is using through that app. The gateway allows you to basically do off-site kind of, what's going on there. So just wanted everybody to let everybody know about that. Anybody have any questions that
We do have a question.
Sure.
How long is the cardboard box now with the LED drivers added to the end? Anything longer than 48 inches starts to get huge shipping charges if shipped via ground.
No,
your ground. We typically, yeah, it's a little bit longer than.
yeah, but still within the pallet, still within the standard pallet. We're not building special pallet, exactly the same pallet.
Yeah,
We
he's
did-
talking about shipping FedEx ground.
Oh, FedEx ground.
Yeah.
Don't know, tell the
Yeah,
truth.
yeah.
We'll tell you that tomorrow.
Yeah, so we
We
can
have
get
to have
updates.
something to do, right, Paul? Right,
Yeah.
some answers we don't have answers for, include this one. We find out for you.
Yeah,
tomorrow.
absolutely. We prefer to ship it LTL, but we could ship it FedEx ground if you really want.
Right. So that being said, let's quickly finish this. So would you Paul, show people two? One change the color, change the wattage, and
Yep.
one only change the wattage, okay?
So we have two different switches here. So you see this switch has one set, movement on it, and this one has two. They both do on off. These are both Bluetooth switches. This one here that has the two will control color as well as on off. This
Right.
is the same.
In the meantime, it's a 12277.
Both of them are 122.
Okay, it's hardwired. That's a basic thing you need to do. People, let's say classroom, they have 8 panels inside.
Yeah.
Okay, all they want is one on the
Put it on the wall.
right. Done.
You can dim it,
You can damn it.
turn it on and off.
Done. Simple. Okay. We have such good price. Now, based on that, we do not do everything by ourselves because some of you will love to using other people's control system.
Sure, you might want somebody else's control.
That's no problem at all because we have 12 volts for you.
Yeah, as long as it uses a 12-volt supply, we're good.
We have 12 volts, you can do whatever you want.
Yeah.
Okay, so that basically taking care of in general stuff, getting closer. Okay, the next thing I want to quickly talk to you guys is the wattage. Okay, the wattage, everybody has a 46 watt out there. Okay,
Yeah,
we dropped 46 to 36.
right.
So all our panel on this group parts at a 36 watt, our 2x2 at a 32 watt, we're able to produce 150 lumens per watt.
That's a lot.
Okay, that's a lot, which means we save the end user. Remember, we talked about this early, is we want to save the money for the end user side, which we're able to sell
Energy saving.
and you save it at a 22%.
Oh, quite a bit. So that's
Okay.
a 22% reduction from our older panel.
Right. Okay, so that's another another cool things I think we can tell people to talk about.
Yep.
So the next thing we're going to talk about, that being said, there's something else we do very unique, okay? We actually able to list the panels in a certain wattage at 2 different ways.
Yes,
Most time people talk about as an ambient,
right. Linear ambient fixture.
mainly ambient fixture.
On the
We
DLC.
also listed a 2x2, 2x4 specific wattage as a low bay.
Right.
Okay, so you can use that accordingly.
Mhm.
Okay, Paul, would you closely show people all the options we have here?
Yeah, so we have tons of options. Let me bring this chart up to you guys. See if we can get it in focus there. There we go. So lots of options on this. You know, you see that we have it listed as a high bay on DLC. We have it listed as a low bay on DLC. We have high CRI. We have tunable. We have color selectable options. We have 1x4, 2x2, and 2x4. Many different wattages on here as well as you see.
Have you pointed out our highest wattage of 2x4 is 120 watts?
120 watts in the highest wattage. That is a lot of wattage and lumens that come out.
I guarantee you the 120 watt will not burn down anybody's house. No, I shouldn't say that. Okay.
Don't say that. We don't believe it will because it's UL listed.
Right.
But yes.
Yes. Okay. So that's but certain items is a special order.
Right.
We don't carry. What we
Right.
today carry is basically a couple of things. Okay. Number one, 2x2, 2x4. Okay. A 2x2, 36 watt down to the 22. 2x2, we carry our 22% savings. We carry 1x4. We carry volume metric. We carry the dot kits. We carry all basic stuff. Now all of those guys enjoy the same thing as the replaceable driver.
Yep.
Okay. Right.
Yep.
Okay.
Just to recap, so
Right.
we have the flat panel that we showed here. We have the volumetric fixture.
Yeah.
And we have door kits available, all that can use this system.
Yeah, same system, same
Same
wattage. Paul, make sure everything matches, same wattage,
Matches
same
up.
same case, the whole 9 yards. Okay, so that's to basically give you the overall idea what we're talking about here. Okay, is there any questions?
There is.
Yes.
Since your driver has 12-volt output available, is it possible to use a potentiometer to create a cheap single dimmer for a low-cost user?
Probably, yes. I don't
Can you
know,
tell me a little bit more?
I don't know
You're
if we
using
could
some
do-
very technical terms.
12-volt portion on that, but yeah, you could probably do that. The
Say
zero.
it again.
He wants to use a potentiometer. Not sure why on the potentiometer, but yeah, you could do that. You really need to use the 0 to 10 volt to do that. If you're gonna use the power on the potentiometer at the 12 volt, you can do that. It's just like a dimmer. It's like a small cheap dimmer.
Fine.
That's all.
Give me something.
Yeah.
Paul, make it happen for you.
Yeah,
okay.
we
Right,
can do
Paul?
something like it. Yeah.
Paul,
Yeah.
Cool, yeah.
It's pretty easy. Yeah, I mean, Scully's.
Yes. Okay, so guys, we promised people 30 minutes, okay? It's a lunchtime. So that being said, tomorrow we're
Got
talking,
one more question.
yes,
You
Sharon.
wanna let them know how to get in touch?
Yes, that's what I want to talk about. Sharon, it's your job talking about. Now we're talking about the lunch, guys, okay?
Oh, I was going to say if they wanted, there's a question on what the panels cost. I was not wanting to tell
Oh,
them how.
panels cost, I guarantee you, you can afford it. I guarantee you, you can afford it,
How
okay?
can they get in touch with their TCP representative?
Oh, I thought this is not my job. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay.
Absolutely. We can reach out to us and we'll put you in touch with the nearest TCP representative in your area.
Yeah, but how do they reach out right now? Because
Right
people,
now?
Sharon, do you have any information posted
Yeah,
they
but
can
we-
reach us? Because we want to introduce you, all our salespeople. We have inside sales, we have a TM, so we have a reps. We have to connect you to the correct one. However, the connection is made from here for you. But start with
Yes, they
here,
can-
right, Sharon?
They can reply to the invite and then we will get them to the correct person.
Right,
Perfect.
okay? No, I'm not, is that
It's
invite?
me.
It's Sharon.
Sharon will take care of that. We'll get you to the correct
Yeah.
person.
Also, you can ask us more questions. Also, we are willing to do some individual meeting and
Yep.
a Zoom for you because when you have a specific needs out there,
Yeah.
Paul and I would love to do that for you.
Yeah, if you
Okay.
something custom, you want to
Right.
know about a certain product or something, we
Yeah.
can easily do that for you.
Okay. Cool. Now let's talk about the lunch. Okay.
The registered participants today will be receiving a gift card via email at the end of the week.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So that being said, Paul and I just love to talk to you. Sharon just love to. We drive Sharon absolutely nuts.
We do
Okay.
drive her.
Because let's say tomorrow we may even post the pause video, right? Talk
Yes.
about that. Okay. Talk about other things. But guys, okay. First of all, I believe seeing is believing. Second, I'll always say this: the best products may not be the most successful one. It's
Right.
how we market this product, how we connect us through you to the customers. Okay, we see all the benefits. We see nobody can match this. We see nobody able to compete against us. But that still doesn't mean the products will fly by itself. You know what I mean? No, we have to work together. So we need your help. You can become our force. You can become our sales force. You can become everything we don't have here. Because here, Paul and I, the team and the Sharon, you are the one who will bring this wonderful system we call Generation X transfer system to your customer, to end users. Okay, this is actually we designed for designers and for the specifiers because it has all the whistles.
Yes, it does.
Okay.
That's a lot of stuff.
So that being said, please enjoy the lunch. Okay. See you next time.
Thanks.
Thank you.